Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop auto system update in Oneplus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on about device. Now here click on your software version on the top, and after that click on this three dot more icon. Now here click on auto update and then click on auto download. Now from here select do not allow and here again click on turn off to confirm. And if you have turned on the auto update overnight button, then turn it back off. So that's how you can stop auto system update in Oneplus mobile. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.